Hi students, we have done some problems how to find the quadratic equation is given roots of the quadratic equation. Let us continue. We have to do some more problems today also related to them. As like this question. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are as like this m by n minus n by m. Let us see. Now today our continuation topic is m by n given roots are minus n by m. Now we are going to find its quadratic equation. Suppose question solution, let one of the root is alpha and another root is beta minus n by m. Formula of quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the formula. What we have to find first? Find alpha plus beta value m by n plus minus n by m. It can be taken as m by n minus n by m. What is LCM in denominator? mm. In denominator LCM is mn or nm. What will come in numerator? Take cross multiplication. M square minus m square. This is the value of alpha plus beta. Now we are going to take alpha beta value. What is alpha value? m by n into minus n by m. What are get cancelled here? All n. What will come here? Alpha beta minus 1. The value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta substitute in the formula. Now, therefore, required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta value? M square minus n square by mn into x plus alpha beta value is how much? Minus 1 plus of minus 1. What will come here? Plus of minus 1. So it will come as x square minus m square minus n square by mn into x plus into minus 1 equal to 0. Here, what is LCM? LCM. Here no denominator means take 1. Here we have no denominator, take 1. Here also have no denominator, take 1. What will come here? N x square minus m square minus n square x minus mn to 0 by 1. Take cross multiplication. It can be taken as mn x square minus m square minus n square x minus mn equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. Or it can be taken like this also. mn x square, here minus get common. What will come here? Plus. It can be written as m square minus n square minus mn equal to 0. We can take like this also. Understand? Here minus get common. If the terms will be minus term will be changed as plus, plus term will be changed as minus. M square minus n square. This minus will be changed. That will be positive. This is our required quadratic equation, whose roots are given as m by n minus n by n. Let us see one more problem. Okay. The next problem is again as like this. Question: find the roots of the quadratic equation whose roots are given as p minus q by p plus q, p plus q. Next, p plus q by p minus q. If given roots are, now we are going to find the quadratic equation whose roots are given as like this: p minus q by p plus q. Another root is p plus q by p minus q. Let us see how to find its quadratic equation. Okay. Now listen. Here solution. Let the given roots. Take first root is alpha. Alpha equal to p minus q by p plus q, and second root beta equal to p plus q by p minus q. What is formula? Formula is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the formula for finding the quadratic equation if we know the roots as alpha, beta. What we have to find first now? Alpha plus beta. This is p minus q by p plus q plus p plus q by p minus q. Take LCM. What is LCM here in denominator? P plus q, p minus q, LCM. Take cross multiplication. What will come in numerator? P minus q whole square, p plus q whole square will come in numerator. We have a formula as like this: a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 times a square plus b square. This is the formula. Now use the formula in numerator will come as 2 into p square plus q square will come. In In denominator formula is a plus b into a minus b. P plus what will come in denominator? P square minus q square. Next, alpha beta. Now alpha beta p minus q by p plus q. Here second one is p plus q by p minus q. Cancel it. These two get cancelled. What will come here? Get alpha beta is 1. All these values substitute in the formula. Required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha beta value put here 2 into p square plus q square by p square minus q square into x plus alpha beta 1 equal to 0. This is our required equation. Here, if possible, we can take the LCM also. As like this, take 1. P square minus q square x square minus 2 into p square plus q square x plus p square minus q square equal to 0 by 1. Therefore, this is our required equation. P square minus q square x square minus 2 into p square plus q square x plus a square minus q square equal to 0. This is the way to find the quadratic equation in given roots. The remaining continuation topic we should do in the next class.